best thing in life you can do is learn.
I run my own business called StudyFast, and me and my team, we teach students and teachers how to read faster and remember more. And it's nerve-wracking. Standing up on stage, everyone's looking at you, and you don't want to mess up. Now, I wasn't always this confident, and I grew up in a very multicultural environment like this in Essex. Anyone from Essex? Oh, yes, girl. Yes. But thankfully, I got rid of my Essex accent, and I went to Norfolk. In Norfolk, there's old people and dogs. Nothing exciting. Now, in Norfolk, I went from being the majority, being mixed race, to being one of the minority in Norfolk. I stuck out, to say the least. And there was this one teacher who I thought hated me. He always picked on me. And there was one day where we kicked a ball, it hit a window. And the window didn't smash, and the teacher pulled me out of the class. And there was a group of us. And I lost it. I said to the teacher, why always me? And I was probably about your age. And he said, Jordan, you have to understand you stick out. I knew what he meant by that. He said, you have to remember you need to stand out for the right reasons. And I hated this teacher. But he probably gave me the best advice anyone has ever had. Because I am mixed race, wherever I go, I will stand out. And I have to make sure I stand up for the right reasons. So from that moment, being the cool, young, gangster, black kid, talking with slang wasn't cool. I thought, why don't I change the narrative of what it means to be a young black man? There's nothing wrong with sounding quote-unquote white, right? Or being able to articulate yourself. So I started reading books. And I started teaching my friends how to read faster and remember more. I started investing a lot of time and money. And fast forward to today, and we've now taught over 10,000 people from 147 different countries. Not all of them I've loved. And we've built an incredible team which have been able to give my friends like Sam a job, opportunities that they never would have. But today isn't about what I've done. Today is about what you're all about to do and how you can make a good first impression. So, 3 key takeaways to make a good impression. Number 1, you're never going to be ready. Just like you pitched on stage today, you weren't ready. Or were you? You were. She was ready. You're either going to be underprepared or overprepared. And I know which one I'd rather be. So you're never going to be ready for an opportunity. When there is an opportunity, put your hand up. Figure it out by the time it takes you to walk to the stage what the hell you're going to pitch. Because now I might just want to employ you. So have a think about that. You're never going to be ready. You're either going to be underprepared or overprepared. Someone's name is the best compliment you can give them, but the best insult if you get it wrong. We've all met someone, and within a couple of seconds, we've forgotten their name. It's awkward. And we hope someone else enters the interaction, they introduce themselves. So whilst you're meeting your interviewers today, please, 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 if there's one thing you remember their name. And use their name throughout the conversation. Someone's name is the sweetest sound. We all love the sound of our own name. I definitely do. And I know you all do. So be sure to remember it. And finally, ask. If you don't ask, you simply won't get. When I first started out on my business, I knew nothing about business. And a mentor once said to me that if you ask to work for free, many people won't say no to free help. And I would like to put that offer out to you all. If you would like to work for me for free, ask me at the end of my talk today. I'm going to stay around. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to take advantage of you and make you do ridiculous hours. But by working for free, I will teach you everything that I've learned so you don't have to make those mistakes. What happens is you get leverage. If you work for free for someone, they are in debt to you. You can go straight to the top. Don't ask to work for free for a small company. Ask to work for free for a big company, for a big celebrity. Simply send them an Instagram message. What's the worst that can happen? They just won't reply. The power of asking is something that many of us don't do, and it's common sense, but it isn't common practice. So during interviews today, I know they're not giving you real jobs, but be bold enough to ask them, is their job going? Chances are they'll probably say no. Otherwise, they might give you their business card. And then I'll take a commission because I told you to do that. But what I want you to leave you on today is, I want you to remember that you're never going to be ready. I wasn't ready when I started my business. I knew nothing about business. I probably still don't. I didn't have a degree in business. I don't have an awesome beard just yet. I'm not 60 years old. I don't have multiple clients with big names. But I'll get there. And I'll encourage you all that be patient, give it time, and learn from other people's mistakes so you don't have to learn from your own. There's no rule that you have to learn from your own mistakes. Ask me, what did I do wrong? I do loads of things wrong every day, and I can tell you not to do that. So you can save yourself that time. So I want to thank you all for having me. I'm going to stay around afterwards as well so you can pick my brain. So thank you for your time, because that's one thing you won't get back.